girl named Charlotte is on her trampoline and she's making a video. We don't know why, but she is. Guys, watch this. It's a super hot day. It's like 100 degrees outside. I'm so excited when it's fall. And winter. It rains every winter. Where I live, there's Christmas. Christmas is always a rainy day. I don't know why, but yeah. But where I live, we live on a very pretty street, very close to my school. And my school is a really small school, and it also has outside hallways. It smells like dog baloney. If you don't know what dog baloney is, it is another word for poop. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous to jump off because I think I see some glass. Why, but I think I see some. I don't know. I'm going to be stepping in that again. Guys, I've stepped on a lot of things I should not be. Like, first, I stepped on a pin. Second, I stepped on glass. Second, I stepped on... Third, I stepped on an earring. Fourth, I stepped on a... What is it called? A Lego. And then 5, I stepped on a freaking stick. Not like a stick. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, I forgot. It's called a hair clip. But I'm gonna go back inside because it's so freaking hot. But you know what to do. You know. You know to subscribe.